a sunshade for my Jeep, and we're going to be opening this up. Stay tuned. So before I open this up and get to the unveiling of it, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to J-Tops USA. They were a great company, great customer service. It took about, I don't know, 2 full weeks, about 10 to 15 business days to get it in. Let's get to the unboxing. I haven't seen it yet. You'll be seeing it with me. I did see it when they sent me the rough draft, so see what it looks like. Cool. Like their little logo on it. They have it right here, J-Tops. I like that. The best thing about the J-Tops is that once you get it installed, you'll see it when it's installed, it actually goes out and it goes over the roll bar, so you don't have a little gap in there. And that's kind of what I wanted. I also wanted a full length one because the 4-door here. I wanted to make sure that my kids, my puppies, or whatever is in the back, they're covered and protected. So, that being said, let's get it installed. All right, so when you go onto their website and you look at it, what they tell you to do is hook up or install the front of this first. It has little hooks on it. And what you want to do is loosen it up a little and then hook it to the hooks inside the 3 that you have that you hook your Freedom panels to. So these little flaps actually are not to adjust to loosen it. They're sewn in, and the only reason those are there is to release it once you want to take it off. What I like about these fasteners here is that you open it and you can adjust it. It loosens the tension, then you can tighten it back up and it locks it too. So that's pretty cool. I like it. That's neat.
Ooh, be careful. That is funny.
The reason I like this soft top from Off-Road Heroes is I can actually unsnap it, roll it back, and lock it in. All right, guys, so what I'm doing now is I'm gonna go ahead and pop a couple holes, 4 holes to be exact, in this cover. And I'm gonna pop some eyelets in it, but the holes I'm gonna be putting are here. There's also one right there, one over here in the P, and then one across the way in the J. I'm gonna pop the eyelets in it, show you guys how to do that real quick, and then reassemble it. Now the reason I'm putting the holes in it is because on the back here I have 2 little bolts that come out of my off my roll bars that my soft top hooks to, and then up here I have to have the 2 holes popped in. That way I can put my channel in so I can put my soft top on. All right, guys, the reason I'm actually working down here on the floor is I want to make sure I have enough room. You need a hard surface to do this with. I got some extra, they are actually 9.5 millimeter eyelets. Got me a little scissor here, and the reason is I don't want this hole to be too big. And I'm going to start actually with the back one over there and pop these holes in there, and then I'll show you guys how to do the eyelets. And I also have my hot glue gun going off camera here. And the reason I have the hot glue gun is once I put the eyelet in, before I hammer it and fasten it, I'm going to put a little bit of glue on there and then hammer it quick, and that'll prevent any of this mesh from fraying or running. eyelets on. It looks nice and clean on this side. Looks clean on the other side, but it looks like it was professionally done. I like it. I like the way it's going to turn out. Now I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get it hooked onto the Jeep, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like from there. So here's the main reason why I want these eyelets in here. As you can tell, this channel has two of these built-in bolts. And I'm going to try to fit it through here, down in. That way I can fasten it and it doesn't flop around as much. There we go. All right, fam, so this is exactly the reason what I did with the eyelets. Let's see if it's going to work now. Now this channel is not locked all the way in. The reason why is I want to make sure it's set first before I lock it in for the front and the back. Boom, boom, boom. So a lot of the other sunshades you have a gap in here. This doesn't, and with the Off-Road Heroes soft top that I have the front cover rolled up in front, so there shouldn't be a lot of moisture or rain getting in this way. It's all sealed. You can see, besides this little gap here, which is over the roll bar, you're not going to get any sun coming in there. Once I close this, you can still see a little bit there, but the only reason, and this is not because of the J-tops or any wrongdoing of their build, it's because of this bar I have from my soft top itself that's on the outside that I already showed you guys. So I really like the way the sunshade fits. Let's go inside, see what it looks like from the inside out, and then let's go for a quick drive and see what it looks like there too. They have good protection all the way around. Say hi, Sid.
Hi.
What you're seeing on that side is actually from my soft top. That's my cross bracket that I actually Velcro it in. So this actually does go all the way to the side. It actually goes probably 2/3 over the roll bar itself. So, which is nice. It's nice. All right, guys, we're gonna go for a quick drive around the block. I want to see what this sunshade has to offer as far as in the sun. It's an extremely sunny day and it's pretty darn windy out, so we're gonna get the best of both worlds. I did miss a strap, so I'm gonna fix that. But in the meantime, okay, guys, I'm going directly into the sun. It's about, I don't know, 2 o'clock. So it's just over my sun rails where it's hitting me in the face. Windy out. As you can tell, the wind is just howling today. I'm not seeing the J-top flop around. There's no extra give, nothing like that. It seems pretty solid, so 2 thumbs up on that. Hey guys, thanks again for watching Jack the Jeep. I encourage you to go check out J-tops. Click subscribe. Also, mash that bell. That way you can be notified of any new content. Check out this video up here. You may just like it. I'm out. Later.